Janome.
Welcome to the unboxing of the Janome Skyline S7 Anniversary Edition. Janome took everything you love about the first generation Skyline S7 and added some great new features and accessory capabilities. I'll show you everything that comes in this box, and we'll go over some key features. The first thing out of the box is your printed instruction book. This book is full of information on how to use your new machine and special techniques, and even has information about your machine's warranty. Inside your instruction book are 2 QR codes. One will take you to a page with an instructional video on how to use your new Skyline S7 Anniversary Edition. The second QR code will take you to a page to download an application for your PC called Stitch Composer. This software helps you create your own stitch combinations. Next, you have the extra large foot pedal and separate power cord that's already on the machine. You also get a straight stitch needle plate. This plate is perfect for piecing and for sewing lightweight fabrics. With the smaller holes for the needle drop, this helps prevent the fabric from falling through and getting stuck. Next, you have the semi-hard fabric cover. This is perfect for keeping your machine free from dust when you're not using it. You also have the extra wide extension table that slides right onto your machine so you can sew larger projects. Now let's take a look at all of the accessories that come with your Skyline S7 Anniversary Edition. This is your zigzag needle plate. This is what's on your machine when you take it out of the box. It has a wide hole needle drop for 9mm stitches. You can use this foot for general sewing. Here's a closer look at the straight stitch needle plate. You will use this anytime you're piecing quilts or sewing finer fabrics. The small holes here help prevent the fabric from falling through the needle plate. The A foot, which is also the zigzag foot, is already on the machine when you take it out of the box. This is your everyday sewing foot, which also works with wide decorative stitches. The M foot, or overedge foot, is used with the overedge stitch. This is great for finishing the edges of your fabric if you don't have a serger. The satin stitch foot, or F foot, is clear for total visibility, and it has a red mark here so you will always know where the needle drop is if you're doing applique or whatever else you're sewing. The open toe satin stitch foot, or F2 foot, is what gives you the most visibility, with the front of the foot being wide open. This is the blind hem foot G. Use this foot to create beautiful blind hems. Or you can also use it for precise top stitching by lining up your edge with this black fin that's on the foot. This is your zipper foot E, which is nice and narrow so you can get nice and close to your zipper teeth. This is the 1/4 inch foot O with the guide. Achieve perfect 1/4 inch seam allowances by lining up the edge of your fabric with the edge of the guide. This is the rolled hem foot D, which is perfect for sewing delicate rolled hems without a lot of extra work. The foot rolls your fabric inside the foot and feeds it through as you sew. This is the darning foot, or PDH foot, that allows you to do free motion quilting. The clear guide here gives you nice visibility as you go. This is the automatic buttonhole foot R with stabilizing plate. You can choose from 11 different one-step buttonholes. Simply put your button in the back of the foot, which will automatically size the buttonhole for you. This is the button sewing foot T. It's a great little foot that sews your buttons for you. No more hand sewing. This is the button shank plate. This adds space when you sew buttons on thicker fabrics like a coat. This is the AccuFeed Flex dual feed holder and foot. This system features a dual feed mechanism that works by feeding both the top and bottom layers of fabric at the same time, perfect for quilting or sewing multiple layers of fabric. This is the Free Motion Quilting Closed Toe Foot QC. This foot is great for quilting over projects that might have fabric that could catch on the foot. This is the Free Motion Quilting Open Toe Foot. Having the open toe gives you a clear visual of the needle drop when quilting. This is the Free Motion Quilting Zigzag Foot QV. This foot has a wide needle drop if you're doing variable zigzag. The wide and clear base of the foot is great for uneven surfaces and has red guidelines for evenly spaced quilting. You also get 5 clear bobbins to get started. You have one already on your machine when you take it out of the box. You can store these in the accessory tray of the machine for easy access. You also get a needle set that comes with an assortment of needles, including a twin needle. You also have a lint brush that helps clean under the needle plate and bobbin case. You have a seam ripper to help unpick stitches, a screwdriver to use to change your needles, and some presser feet, a quilting guide bar to create parallel rows of stitching, an extra spool pin that you can attach to your machine for twin needle sewing or leave a spool on for bobbin winding, 2 large spool holders, one is already on your machine, and 2 small spool holders. You also have these 2 special spool holders. These attach to the end of your horizontal spool pin when your thread spools are just a little too big to fit on the horizontal spool pin. This helps make them fit better. You also get this touch panel stylus to use on the LCD touchscreen, and a knee lifter that allows you to raise and lower the presser foot hands-free. And with this Anniversary Edition machine, there's a special commemorative 10-year anniversary case with 25 blue bobbins and a microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get a petite sewing kit complete with scissors, clips, a pin cushion and pins that attaches to the top of your machine. And now for the main event, the Skyline S7 Anniversary Edition. Check out this sleek redesigned body style complete with midnight blue accents and a 5-inch LCD touchscreen. This machine is packed with 350 built-in stitches, 11 one-step buttonholes, and 7 alphabets, which gives you endless ideas to personalize your projects. This machine also comes with everyone's favorite AccuFeed Flex fabric feeding system. You will be confident that all layers stay aligned while quilting or sewing multiple layers of fabric. This machine also has 8 1/4 inches of throat space, which is perfect for any size project. Let's take a closer look at the touchscreen. To choose your stitch, simply tap on the icon on the screen with your stylus. You can also change the needle position here and the stitch length by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Now let's take a closer look at sewing applications. Sewing applications is like having your manual built right into your machine. You have 2 pages of techniques to choose from, and when you select one, the machine will automatically set to the proper stitches, and it will also tell you which foot to use. If you tap back into sewing applications and on the second page, you will see that you now have access to variable zigzag and to ruler work quilting. On the front of the machine, you will find all of the convenient machine operating buttons. You have a start-stop button, which is perfect for sewing or quilting without the foot pedal. You have a reverse button. Simply hold this down as you sew to sew in reverse. Use the auto lock button to quickly tie off the ends of your first stitch to prevent unraveling. The needle up-down button quickly raises and lowers your needle at the touch of a button. Use the presser foot lifter button, which conveniently raises and lowers the presser foot as needed. And my favorite, the thread cutter button, which neatly trims both threads so you don't have to worry about clipping long thread tails. This machine also comes with an easy set top-loading bobbin, which makes threading your machine a breeze. Here is your accessory tray, perfect for storing your favorite presser feet and accessories. The extension table even slides off to expose the free arm, making sewing closed circles a breeze. Inside the extension table, you can also store your favorite needle plate. To change your needle plate, simply press on the needle plate release lever and slide on your preferred needle plate. From here, you can also slide on the extra wide extension table right over the free arm. This is perfect for sewing larger projects and quilts. To test drive the Skyline S7 Anniversary Edition and to learn about current promotions, visit your local Janome dealer today. Happy sewing!